Hey, this is your girl, BB from the streets, bringing you all that tea. I recently watched a video with Dr. Umar going live about him talking about family court, situations, child support, all those things. And he said how black men need to get together and go down to their local councilman or women to get this taken care of. Let's watch.
This whole Mama Smurf, Baby Smurf, Lies and Revenge tour has inspired me to start a black man family court movement. Who with me? Who is getting sick and tired of being alienated from your children? What black men are sick and tired of paying child support and can't see your child? Where you at, black men? Where you at? I'm talking to black men all around the diaspora. I'm talking to black men all around. Where my black men at? Give me some black fists, African men. Give me some black fists. If you tired of family court, you tired of custody court, you tired of child support court, I'm going to start a movement. Oh, y'all done woke up a sleeping giant now. Y'all done woke up. I'm starting a black man anti-family court movement. We are sick and tired of being taken advantage of. We are sick and tired of family court taking our money and not guaranteeing us a right to see our children. Do y'all know how many custody agreements I had with Mama Smurf? Me and Mama Smurf had about 4 or 5 custody agreements. Me and Mama Smurf had about 4 or 5 custody agreements, and she violated every one, and family court did nothing. Yes, I filed contempt of court. I told you I got all my paperwork. Yes, I filed contempt of court. And what did the court system do to Mama Smurf? Nothing at all. The court system did nothing at all when Mama Smurf failed to produce my child. So we not going for it. Black men, get ready. Black men all over the world. This is a Pan-African movement. I'm starting a black man anti-family court movement. We step into all elected officials here. If you are a city council person, if you are a state rep, if you are a state senator, and if you don't stand with black men against the family court exploitation and domination, we will vote you out of office. That's right. We're going to start with Congressional Black Caucus. We're going to start with Congressional Black Caucus. We're going to start with Congressional. We're going to D.C. Black men, are you ready to march on D.C.? We want a meeting with the Congressional Black Caucus. They not doing nothing anyway. They not doing nothing for black people anyway. They not doing nothing for black people anyway. We're going to go to Congressional Black Caucus, and we're going to tell them that they're going to create a bill for black men. First of all, no child support if he don't see his child. Oh, we changing the rules. You don't get no money if he can't see his child. Period. You don't get no money if he can't see his child. I'm going to say it again. No more money for deadbeat moms. That's right. We keep talking about deadbeat daddies. When are we going to talk about deadbeat moms who keep the kids from the daddy? We keep talking about deadbeat daddies. When are we going to talk about deadbeat moms who keep the children from the daddies? Oh, yes. Get your boots on, black man. We marching. We are marching against the Department of Health and Human Services. We marching on Congressional Black Caucus. Enough is enough. Y'all can thank Mama Smurf and Baby Smurf to the foot. Mama Smurf and Baby Smurf, I want to say thank you. Thank you for waking up a giant. Thank you for giving me the idea that it's time to organize black men against this disgusting family court system, this unjust family court system. We marching in Philly. We marching in Jersey. We marching in D.C. We marching against family court in Baltimore. We marching in Fort Lauderdale. We marching in Miami. We marching in Savannah, Georgia, Augusta, Georgia. We marching in Brooklyn. We marching in the Bronx. We marching in Staten Island. We marching in Manhattan. We marching in Chicago, Detroit, St. Louis, Nashville, Knoxville. We are marching against the injustice of family court. We don't have a problem paying child support. I never had a problem paying child support. When I went to my first child support hearing for my oldest daughter, My oldest child, baby Smurf, was only 3 months old or younger when her mother took me to child support. 3 months old or younger. And the child support agent told her mother that he did not want to do the order. God is my witness. God, Olodumare, Yame, Chukwu, Amen Ra is my witness. Olofi is my witness. That when I got dragged into child support when my baby was still an infant, still on milk, her mother didn't want to breastfeed her as a protest against me. Baby Smurf, did your mama tell you she didn't breastfeed you because I wanted her to? She put you on white man's milk. Hey, baby Smurf, go ask Mama Smurf why you wasn't breastfed. Baby Smurf, can you please ask Mama Smurf why you wasn't breastfed? Your mother refused to breastfeed you because I wanted her to. She put you on white man's milk. Oh, don't let me get started. I got some stories.
It seems like I do got to give it to Dr. Umar. He giving them their props, Mama Smurf and Baby Smurf, that which made him think about this. I do have to say, child support is great for the state. Not so much the mother, the child, the father. Because I personally feel, and I've known people that may pay, or fathers that may pay, about $1,600 a month in child support. By the time the mom gets it, she's like, all your father do is give me $300 a month. When you think about it, you're wondering, where's the other $1,300 going? The $1,300 is getting wrapped up in family court. The judge has to get paid. The lawyers have to get paid. The stenographer has to get paid. The mediator on the case has to get paid. So there's the $1,400 out the window. Whoop. And the child and the mom never sees any of it. And I do have to say, if there's an agreement in court that you pay this and visitation privileges are supposed to be given, parties should be held to that. So if moms have the baby all the time, or the custodial parents, as they say, and the dad gets visitation, then when Friday or Saturday, whatever days are visiting days, they should be held to it. And if you don't get along, maybe get someone, a family or friend, that y'all can meet in a local park, meet at a library, go do something out in public that y'all can do with the child together, or that you can drop off or hand off the child. Because that should also be upheld. Because you shouldn't just get the child support without the child being able to see their father and grow a relationship and bond with them. And with their other family members, in case they have brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles, other cousins. The child loses out on all of that. So as adults, we have to remember that. The only person that really loses out in this situation, and I would say 9 times out of 10, is the child. They become the automatic loser. So as adults, we need to get it together. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, hit like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell.